Back in 2015, we recognized there was a gap in the market between desktop engineer-focused tools like CAD software and traditional methods of estimating and design like pen and paper. Bridging the gap between these is our LightningCAD framework. It takes the best from the CAD software ideas and the simplicity of designing on paper and delivering both those things over a browser so that it can be used by both experts and end users directly.
You might be wondering, is LightningCAD a fit for you? Well, we've identified 3 indicators that signify an opportunity. The first is, are you experiencing design and estimation bottlenecks? Do you have systemized products that fit into a spatial layout with geometric variability that might not be captured by design tools currently on the market? If those 3 are true, then LightningCAD is an opportunity for you. Each custom LightningCAD solution is tailored to your business's specific needs, and we do that by embracing constraints, delivering an intelligent, rich model with your real-world context front of mind. Let's dig a little deeper into what that means. The term embracing constraints might initially sound like a negative, but ultimately your systemized products have rules they follow that tell them what they can and can't do. So we build those rules into the infrastructure of your system so that your engineers are freed up to spend their time on high-level tasks, and your sales team or other people in the organization are given a streamlined design tool with a high-level output because of your engineers' expertise built in.
For example, in our work with a custom medical device manufacturer, we were able to automate the constraints that their technicians needed to follow in order to simplify their design process and speed it up by over 50% over the generic CAD tools they were using.
Our LightningCAD solutions are more than just a visualization tool. We're building a rich, intelligent model that takes all of your components and how they fit together into account into the system, so that as you're designing freely, you're given instant access to all of the data of those designs. Everything from cost estimates to parts list breakdowns and even installation guides. And we can take that a step further and even integrate it to existing systems within your workflow.
For example, with our long-term partner Safa, their tool allows salespeople to go on site, produce instant estimates that a customer can visualize, but then integrate that back into their ERP system for manufacturing, and then ultimately produce installation guides the field team can use to install the product for the customer.
We're going to take your real-world context into account. So what does the environment around your design look like? Are you importing PDF floor plans? Are you analyzing topography maps or dealing with a highly technical industry? We're going to focus on bridging the gap where your designs meet the real world and make sure that your solution is tailored to those needs.
For example, with our custom airfield design solution, we import terrain data and optimize the ideal placement of a runway, from which we can then create digital assets that are used by the construction equipment for the actual implementation of the design. LightningCAD is not a generic CAD tool or meant to replace your existing engineers. Instead, it's a constrained design tool that builds upon the work that your engineers have already done and frees them up for the higher value activity of new product development or high-end custom projects.
Thank you for taking the time to learn about our LightningCAD framework. If any of those 3 indicators struck a chord with you, you have an opportunity. Whether you're experiencing design and estimation bottlenecks, or you have systemized products with geometric variability, we're ready to talk and help you figure out your options, so schedule a call today.